In this video, I'm going to show you how to send videos in TikTok message. Now, for us to get this done, it is very important that we upload the video first. So to do that, just go ahead and tap the plus sign down here and then head over to your gallery, or you can shoot a video if you want to. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and upload a short video. So let's say this 11 seconds right here, and then tap the next button in there. Tap next once again and then click the post button. Now make sure, by the way, that you have added all the important things that you wish to add here, and there is our video. So from this point forward, just go ahead and click that over there, and then you're just going to go ahead and click this three dots here, and then you can go ahead and choose your recipient in here. Now you can go ahead and search if they are not found here, but say for example I'm just gonna send this to myself. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna click it. Click the send button right here, and let's go over to the message. Click the inbox, and there you go. So yep, that is the only way in order for us to send videos in TikTok message. And thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this video helps you out.